Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a 2012 GMC, no, Chevy Traverse, but it's the same thing as a GMC Acadia. Same motor, same everything. It's all GM. So we're taking off the intake manifold because we're doing a tune-up. So I'm gonna show you how to get this off. It's really, really simple. First thing you got to do is take off that cover and the little shield right there. To take off the cover, you got to remove your oil cap. Let's see, this right here is on top. There's a 10mm bolt holding it in right there. You got to pull off that PCV hose right there, which is this. Right here, which hooks up here, is your purge valve, throttle. So you got to take off this 8mm bolt, loosen it up. This right here, you got to push in that green button, pull it off. This right here is a button on the bottom, tab on the bottom, you squeeze that. This right here just pulls out the top, which goes into that hole. This right here, you just pull that off, and well, there's like a little, you got to slide that to the side, and that'll come off. There's 6 13s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6 is right there on the side. And then you got your throttle body connection. You just squeeze in the tab, pull it off, and that's it. And then you can take this off, and there's your coil packs. 1, 2, 3. There's 4, 5, and 6. And then you can replace your spark plugs, and there's your intake gasket if you want to replace that also. Thanks for watching the video. Hope that helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.